Hey, I'm Kyle from Drive Wheaton TV, and this is another quick tip. Select Honda models have the Cabin Control app, a feature that allows the backseat passengers to adjust things like climate, audio, and even control the rear entertainment system by turning their smartphones into a remote control. After you've downloaded the app, you need to make sure Cabin Control is turned on in your vehicle's infotainment center. To do that, go to Settings, Connections, and then Cabin Control. You also need to connect your phone to the vehicle's Wi-Fi. The network information can be found under Connection Information in the Cabin Control menu. You'll then be asked to set the Cabin Control permissions for your phone. Once you're connected, you're ready to use the app. You can now take control of the front audio system, so you can change the input, station, or song, just not the volume. You also have the ability to add songs to and manage the social playlist. In fact, 7 different devices can be connected at once, so everyone can have their favorite songs on the list. The app also lets you regulate the temperature and fan power of the rear climate system and adjust what's playing on the rear entertainment system if equipped. You can even be a co-pilot from the back seat and send new destinations to the navigation system while the vehicle is moving. And that's a quick look at Honda's Cabin Control app, a convenient and handy little feature. Make sure to keep an eye out for more quick tips.